Namaste friends, hope you are fighting COVID really strong. Myself Dr. Joby George, Senior Ayurveda Consultant. Welcome to my video. Today I am making a simple tomato soup which is not only nutritious but it can regain you from your lost energy and health. So this soup is just, I took one tomato for a single person. And as you know, tomatoes are very rich in vitamin C. It has lot of vitamins and minerals. It is very good in anemic cases, in children, and for those people who have lost health, those who have lost weight also. And but I would always suggest that people who are having kidney issues, those who have lot of pith in the body, or if you have heat in the body, if you have kidney stone, or if you have any such acidity issues, then please don't take this soup. Tomato tends to increase the condition more. I have taken one whole tomato and just boiled it in water, and when the skin starts tearing, you know that it is boiled. I have included the skin of the tomato and the seeds in the soup, but if your digestion is really very low, then make sure that you remove the skin and the seed and then make it like a puree. And the simple ingredients that I have used along with it is salt and pepper only. So because the patient's sense of taste is lost, and because he is not able to eat because of the digestion issues, not able to digest easily. So this is a very simple recipe that you can make at home. Pepper, as we know, it is neither too cold nor too hot. Na ati ushna, na ati sheet, that is called. So you don't need to worry that it will increase your acidity or it will increase the pitta in the body, because it doesn't heat the body. At the same time, it improves the digestion and it opens up the lungs. There are two varieties. One is the organic one. This is more red and this is little less red. The less red ones will be more tangy and more sour. The red ones will be more sweet. You can take the hybrid red ones also, but for patients I always prefer the nati or the organic tomatoes, and I will go with this. With a little water, nothing else I have put inside. You need to just boil this. So this is how it looks after boiling. You can see that the skin has broken, so that's a sign of that the tomato has boiled. So now I'll put this into the mixer for grinding, and no need of any water because that itself is juicy. And to it I'll put a few crystals of rock salt. Rock salt I prefer because it's more organic and it's got its own minerals, better than the powder one. After grinding, I've removed it in a bowl, and just the solid parts I have removed. I have not strained it. If you want, you can add a little remaining boiling water that we had boiled it with to make it more liquidy. And I'm adding to it a little bit of black pepper to your taste. And if your digestion is really very weak, if the patient is not eating anything, you can add a little more pepper. It will help to increase the digestion. Also, if you feel that the patient is not eating any rice or anything, you can add a little rice water, boiled rice water, and this itself gives the patient a lot of energy, and it is very tasty. No other masalas or spices that I have added. I had kept the skin and the seeds intact so that it gives more roughage and fiber, but if the digestion is very weak or you don't like, then you can strain it with a little more water and have it as a soup. So hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe. Let many people be benefited. Thank you.